Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone microphone not working. If you're using any iPhone and your microphone is not working, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. You just have to open up your settings. In settings, scroll down and look for privacy and security option. Tap on it, and here you'll get the microphone option. Simply select that option, and here you have to make sure that you have enabled this for all apps. So once you have enabled, it might be that your microphone will be fixed for any specific app, or if you're still having the same issue, so you just have to open up your screen time, then scroll down and look for content and privacy restrictions, and here you just have to look for microphone. Select that, and here you have to select allow changes. Once you have selected, just have to enable this toggle for all apps. So once you have enabled, so you just have to make sure that your problem is fixed or not, or you just have to go ahead to general and try to update your software, because sometimes it might be that your system software is not updated and you might get this type issues. So once you have updated your software, so it makes maybe that your problem will be fixed, or if it doesn't, so you just have to make sure that your microphone is clean, there is no any dirt or dust on your microphone. So once you have checked, you have to go ahead to your settings if you're still having the same issue. So you just have to go for general, then scroll down and look for transfer or reset iPhone, then select reset, then select reset all settings. So it will not delete any type of your data, so you can easily try this. It will reset all of your settings. So if there is any setting enabled or disabled of your microphone, so it will be fixed after this step. So in this way you can easily fix if your iPhone microphone is not working. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.